How to reset forgotten PayPal password. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open any browser on your device. After you've opened any browser, in there search paypal.com. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, click on forgotten password. After you've clicked on forgotten password, in here, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. You'll find different options. Select where you can get code. I'm selecting get a text and press on next. Then code will be sent to your phone number. Add this code in here and submit. Then create a new password and press on save at the bottom. After you have done that, your new password will be created. And this is how to reset forgotten PayPal password. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.